Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm currently in my office trying to have a bit of a tidy up, but I have just had a delivery from TesStudio. Before I got my Tesla I was driving Audi A5, and for that I had a few BMWs, and what they had was this little extender that came out on the seat which give you more support on your knees when you're driving. Now what I've noticed with Teslas, we don't have that, and it is a shame. Until now. Now, TesStudio have sent out this really nice leg support for the seat. Now, it's made of luxury leather. It's got this ergonomical sort of C-curve that, you know, when it goes onto your seat, it'll extend out, but it's sort of, it'll blend in quite nicely. It's fully breathable. I've only got heated seats, so you'll still feel the benefit of the heated seats, but if you have the newer Teslas that have the cooling, then you know it's fully breathable. You'll be able to still feel that. Fitting wise, for the front you have these two hooks which simply just have to give it a bit of a split it apart. So front one's on, and then you have the discs to go on the back. They literally through like so, and it's ready to go to the car and get this installed. Right, so we are out in the car, and as you can see, this gap under here, this is, in a lot of cars you normally have sort of like the extension, especially on the Audis and the BMWs, where you can actually get a little bit more leg support, and this is my normal driving position. You know, on long journeys you can get leg fatigue, and this is where this is going to come into play. So I'm going to try and get this camera set up so that you can see how easy the installation is going to be. It is just a case of that tucks on there nicely. We have these circular that goes down the side into the back, straighten them out, and they just grip in nicely and they're not going to pull out. So that is done there, and then you got the hooks on the front just to go, and then the hooks just literally tuck underneath, clip on, nice and easy, and that's it. That's installed. I went for the black one. They have 3 different colours. You have white, black, and sort of like a tan yellowy colour. I thought the black would suit the car a lot nicer, you know, with the black interior. If you remember, I did have the red leather interior, but Kylo sort of destroyed the back seat, so it had to come out, which is a shame because I actually quite liked it. But you know, we've now got the dark subtle interior, and let's check how this feels now on my legs. Right. It closes that gap up and it gives my knees somewhere to actually rest. I can actually have my seat back more now, because previously I actually had my seat fairly far forward, solely for the fact it actually lifted my knees up a little bit because there was no support underneath them. Now I can actually have, yeah, that feels so much better. Yeah. So my chair's now back further because my knees now have actually, the back of my knees now have the support. There's no more gap. It feels nicer already. So yeah, it's definitely a good addition, especially if you're doing longer journeys. You actually have support more under your knees. There's no more gap. It's really nice. I really like it. And they actually have a massive Black Friday sale on at the moment as well, so I'll leave my discount code in the description below, as well as a link to this yeah, this awesome little addition to the seat. I am tempted to get another one for the passenger side. It was simple, so easy to install. It's not going to move, anything like that. It's really good. I highly recommend it. So yeah, let me know in the description below what you think of this cool little add-on. But on that note, thank you ever so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios.